Hey there, ready to start a dedicated savings account to reach your goals? Opening a Chase savings account online is quick and pairs seamlessly with your existing Chase checking. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to open one. Log into your Chase online account. Go to Open an Account and select a savings account, like the Chase Savings. The application will pre-fill your personal information. You'll just need to fund the account with an initial deposit from your linked Chase checking account or an external account. You can often open and fund the account entirely online in just a few minutes. My crucial pro tip: set up an automatic savings transfer immediately. Right after opening the account, go to Transfers and schedule a recurring, automatic transfer from checking to savings. Even a small amount each week builds the habit and grows your balance effortlessly. That's how you make saving money a systematic, effortless part of your routine. What are you saving for right now? An emergency fund, a vacation, or a big purchase? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on building savings habits, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.